Assalamu alaikum and welcome to another AutoCAD video. And now in this video we are actually going to show you how to actually draw a circle in our command. So in the previous video, as I've already discussed about some kind of commands like line command and precision drawing tools, and now in today's video we are going to specify circle and arc. First of all, you have to specify your units and limits, as I have always said in different kind of lectures, yet that first of all you have to specify your units and limits, and then for precision turn off this grid mode, and actually I am turning it off. And now actually let's jump into it. And for example, if you draw a circle, you can also draw from here, and the short key for this circle is just actually C, enter. Different kind of methods. First of all, you can draw from here, and actually it is what he is asking to specify the center point of your circle. Actually I'm going to say this is my center point. And now what he is asking to specify the radius of your circle. As you can see here, I am saying that let's do it 400 feet. Actually you have seen this is my circle with my radius, as you can see in the properties, and you can also change the properties of anything from go here and change the color, or actually some kind of thing. If you want to change color, just turn into red like that, and you can also change it from here by layer, and you can also change its weight and transparency actually. And now there are many other kind of circles. For example, if we go to draw and see here that there are different kind of circle, we have done with this. And if we want to draw this circle, we have to specify our center point, and now we have to give our radius. I can say that my radius is actually 800 feet. Now just click enter. This circle, now you can see that these two are equals, because this has a radius of 400 feet and this has a diameter of 800 feet. And you can change the properties from here, and also from here if you want to go change the transparency or line weight, anything like that. And if you go here, as actually you can see that your circle has been a kind of this shape. You will see this is the line weight actually has been increased. Now go to draw again, and there are different kind of circles. For example, 2 point, 3 point, 10 10 radius, 10 10. Actually for these circles we have to specify our tangent and our reference line first. So I am just creating a reference line for your understanding, just turning on the ortho mode, and this will be our reference line first, and again enter. This will be our reference line second, again enter, and this will be our reference line 3. Now these are our reference lines, and if we go here like that, we will go here and we will actually specify from 2 points, as actually this is my first point and I can say this is my second point. Now as you can see here, the two lines are touching at the touching the circumference of the circle, as you can see. Now just delete this and draw a 3-point circle. Actually I'm specifying with 3 points, first one, second one, and third one. As you can see here, this is our 3-point circle. Now let's delete it. Now another type of circle is 10 10 radius. Actually here we have to specify two tangents which will touch the circumference of circle, and third one the radius of the circle, and the circle will be drawn in that way. I can say that first tangent is that one, that line, and second tangent is that line from here. And now specify the radius. I can say that it has 900 feet, and you can see that this circle has been drawn. Actually this is not touching this because it has much lower radius. Actually I'm going to delete this and draw another one, this circle with the draw a circle going to 10 10 radius, and actually it's specifying first tangent and this one second tangent, and now I'm giving the radius to 1600 feet. Now you can see that this circle is touching both of its tangents here. Now another thing is, you can also specify your circle with 3 tangents. Just go here, first one, second one, and third one. Your circle will be drawn in that way. As you can see, the 3 lines are actually tangents, and these are touching the circumference of the circle. These are reference line, and these are tangents, these, as you can see. Now I'm just going to delete this. Now let's pan a little bit and drag it and move. Now what I'm going to do, to show some kind of arc commands. Now in actual field there are different kind of uses of circle. For example, if we want to design some kind of landscape, and if we want to design some kind of fountains, manholes and these kind of things, this command will be used very much in these kind of things in actual drawing. Now let's get started with arc, and I'm first telling you that for which purpose this arc has been used. For example, if we want to create doors in 2D, and if we want to create some kind of roundabouts and roads and these kind of things, this arc command will help to draw these kind of things. So let's get started. Like circle, there are also different kind of arcs, but the simplest one is 3-point arc, as you can see here, and this is by here you can see, and actually it is actually telling the command line is actually telling a bit more explanation. Creates an arc using 3 points. For example, if we select first point here and actually turn on this ortho mode, because it will go to straight at 4 angles. So I'm turning off this ortho mode and just going here, selecting second point, and this one is actually, you can like this, you can select third one. As you can see here, our arc has been drawn. Now you can just delete it and go to draw menu, and here you can see arc, and there are different kind of arc. Actually I'm going to tell you some kinds, and I recommend you to explore some kind of arcs by yourself, and actually I'm going to tell you 5 or 4. Like I have to specify my baselines, turn on this ortho mode, and this will be first baseline. A reference line, actually it is a reference line for drawing an arc. Now this one is, you can see here, this one is second line, and you can also draw a third one here. From here you can go a little bit farther, and you can draw like this. Now we can actually, these three are reference lines, and we can draw our arc here. Go to draw, again go to arc. Now what he is asking, start, center and end. We are going to start from here, and this will be our center, and this is end. Actually you can see this has actually this command has drawn an arc like this. We have specified 3 points, and the arc has been drawn like a semicircle. So I'm just going to delete it at the time being, and because I have to show much more tools like that. Start, center and angle. Here you can give your start point, and now he is asking for center point. I am giving center point like this, and now I am giving angle. But if you drag your mouse like this, it will automatically, if you want to give 90 degree, like it will go upward at 90 degree. And if you want to click on some angle randomly, for example I am saying I just want 45, and this one will be drawn up till 45 degree. This is our arc actually. Now I'm going to delete this. Again going to draw tool and arc. Now start, center and length. This will be our start, this will be our center. And now actually if you randomly just drag your mouse, you can see that there are some kind of length command and length coming in the command bar, but we will give it randomly like 3000 feet. And you will give this kind of arc will be appeared, and you can see here in the properties this is the length of 3000, and I'm just going to delete it. And if I will draw one more, going to arc again, and just I am going to telling you the start, end and angle. This will actually here from start, end, and now specify your angle. I am just specifying 15 degree. Actually one more time, actually what has just happened, I don't know. Hold control to switch direction. I'm just escaping first of all. I'm again going to here draw. There's some kind of error, I think. Start, end and angle. Actually this command line will help you a lot in your drawing. From start. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to actually this ortho mode is turned on. I'm going to tell my end point, and now I am actually giving my angle some kind of like 30. As you can see here, the arc has been drawn at 30 degree. Actually this ortho tool was on, so that's why our art this will create some kind of distortion, so turn it off first. If you're not using the ortho tool, turn it off. The short key for this is also F8, and you can turn it off from here. And if you don't have these two things, you have just click on type command line and just click ortho and enter. I'm just escaping at the time being, and just go to draw again. Alright, go to arc, and now here's a start, end and direction. You will give a start point and end point, and now you will give a specific direction like downward or upward. By dragging your mouse, it will actually also tell you the some kind of angles, and you can click it and draw it here. Again I'm going to draw tool, I'm going to arc, and now I'm going to start, end, and radius as I think that no this will be here, start, end, and now I'm going to specify my radius, like I will say I'm okay with that, 22 and 74, 2274. I'm okay with that. Just click that, and this line will be drawn like that. For example, now again I'm going here. Actually I recommend you to express these kind of 4 tools by yourself. Actually this is not this much easier, and you can do it for yourself for your practice. I recommend you. So that's it for in today's video, and in the next video we will be going to show you the polygon and rectangle command. Thank you.